Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so many people have done it before, you too can also do the same thing. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. We are on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This had been on downtrend for long. There are pullbacks around there, but was unable to go for long, and of course went back down till it got to this support zone, went back up again, and of course it's trying the support zone again. So this is still more of a selling than a buying opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Boom 500 had been on downtrend after getting to this resistance zone, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. As you can see from the chart, this has been crashing right from this resistance zone until it got to this support zone. It was unable to go further, so it started a buy trend right from there, even though it is having a pullback at the moment. Once it is done with the pullback, it will continue with the buy trend. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. Okay, so this, I mean, the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 right from here started to sell, and of course it is crashing down, played around there for a while, but broke out below the support zone and got to this region, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So this is still more of a selling, except if it breaks out below this, so I mean if it's unable to break out below the support zone, that is when it will go back on buy trend. So the last asset is going to be V75, volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on downtrend right from here and kept on selling till it got to this region. So right now it's trying to go back on buy trend. So once it breaks out above this, then definitely it's going to buy more. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel or watch my training videos. Make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Once you are sure of your trading skill, then definitely you can now go into your real account right from there. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.